How do I reset my White Rodgers 1F78 non-programmable thermostat after changing the batteries?
Welcome, I will do my best to help you with your issue. Sorry for the text glitch. You shouldn't need to do a reset after a battery replacement, but here is how you reset it. Reset operation. If a voltage spike or static discharge blanks out the display or causes erratic thermostat operation, you can reset the thermostat by pressing the up arrow and the down arrow at the same time while moving the system switch from off to heat. This also resets the factory defaults. If the thermostat has power, has been reset and still does not function correctly, contact your heating/cooling service person or place of purchase. Our chat has ended, but you can still continue to ask me questions here until you are satisfied with your answer. Come back to this page to view our conversation and any other new information. What happens now? Or, you can reply to me using the box below.
Your suggestion worked, the display is now functioning. Thanks.
You're welcome. Thanks for using JustAnswer.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.